Uh, our organization has been vocal in many issues, like against BFAM, against the attempt to impose vegetarianism, and we have also been prominent in pointing out the caste discrimination incident. From 2008 to 2015, this much year, only 3 ST students were taken into IIT Madras for MS program. This is like a huge time period, and MS program you have 2 intake per year, and you still have only this much. The number itself shows that there is something which is atrociously wrong with it. That's one thing. So when we point this out, it is possible that certain sections might see it as a problem. But I think personally what would have been more of a problem is during last election, the candidate, one of the candidate, Arya Prakash, she lost, but she has put forth a manifesto point to increase the stipend of SC/ST students. This was a big issue back then. I think this is an attempt to draw back to that issue and connect it with the general anti-CST feeling among the a good number of students. Teesta was one case where they decided to organize themselves. There was another issue in which, in an attempt to collect few funds for Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir flood relief, few of the right-wing students, not actually few, there were some 20 of them, actually ganged up on the students who had initiated the venture, accused them of being biased and supporting the Kashmiri terrorists, and there was a lot of, like, which almost reached a physical attack. So that whenever they feel something is which is again inimical to their ideology, they take up issue, make blah blah, goes to an extent of disrupting any kind of decision.
Tell us what your study group does as such, like.
Study group essentially conducts lectures on different topics. This can be conducted on contemporary analysis of understanding the religion, and then we distribute pamphlets based on some of the articles that some not just I or someone else, but a good number of students.
So in case you had asked for permission before, like how the dean has said that you should have asked for permission, which is according to reports, would you have got permission for holding an event like this?
I'm not sure. I don't think Dean would allow that, because there has been an attempt to silence any kind of view that is seen as inimical to the administration, and it's an attempt to suppress certain progressive views. Other than that, they are promoting other kind of pseudosciences here. Like a group called Santulan, few weeks back conducted a event against theory of evolution, where they had screened a movie which was supporting intelligent design.
Okay. So, but when you say there is an attempt to suppress voices, what do you mean? Is it like individual instances or?
No, this is kind of a long-standing thing. I think probably it's because the most of the writing views are already organized. There's something called Vivekananda Study Circle, which is heavily supported by Ramakrishna Math, and they get, even though it's an independent student body, they get access to. They have a website hosted in IITM domain. They have a library in Brahmaputra hostel, and IIT generally don't give away hostel room for such purposes. So we have a library, discussion hall and library in Brahmaputra. So over years, and there are some professors like B.S. Murthy who has been strongly in support of these groups. We had luckily once there was this lecture by one guy called A.B.S. Shastri. I think you'll find it in YouTube, which some of our professors themselves decided that such pseudoscience should not be allowed in school, went and completely dismantled them. Our dean research took out the mantle to dismantle the guy in that talk. So there are people who still hold on to the scientific time barrage, but the attempts are there a lot to bring up such lectures. There is one on I theory which argued that he has found the ultimate principle of the world. Things like so. These things happen, and all the process, even though they are rationalized, cannot go for all the event and dismantle. We have the resources. If you generally look for, yes, IIT Madras have the enough resources in different departments. Professors themselves can go dismantle most of them. But this is not what professors are for. They have their own research, their own publications, such. So every time they cannot go and dismantle